What's going on, guys? It's BritishEDC here, and I'm back after a little bit of time away. Work's been pretty crazy, and yeah, a lot of other stuff going on. So let's get into the kind of end of August, what I'm carrying. So I like to keep it really simple, right, light and slice. I've said this before in my videos, and it's just the way I roll. So here we've got one of the original Olight pens. It's just a standard ballpoint. It's got a little light in it, but yeah, it doesn't work that great. So it's literally just there for writing. And then I'm still carrying the Symmetry when I'm not in work clothes. It's got a nice little 2.7-inch blade. It doesn't lock. It's fine for most tasks, but as soon as you put any like real pressure onto something and then it slips out, the blade does close back up. Slightly annoying, but I can live with it for the smaller tasks. If I know I'm going to be doing something a little bit heavier, then I'll take maybe a Swiss Army knife, or if I'm like at my brother's house or whatever, then I will use something like locking blade or a fixed blade or anything like that, or some proper tools. But yeah, so torch wise, we got the Olight i3E. It's small, it's light. I flip between this, the S1R3, S1R Baton 3. It's 90 lumens. It's perfect for what I need day-to-day life. And then phone wise, I'm running an iPhone 11. Nothing fancy there. Just run-of-the-mill iPhone 11, not the Pro, not the Pro Max, anything like that. But yeah, I'm back. I've noticed that a lot of the views I'm getting, there's about 90%, 97% of you guys aren't subscribed. So please do go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It really does let me know that you guys are engaging and enjoying these videos, and it gives me that motivation to push and make more. I have been very unmotivated recently, and I know how fantastic you guys who watch this are. So yeah, we got that. And because I'm not monetized on YouTube for various reasons, low view count, low subscribers, I've set up a Patreon. So if you guys could head over to Patreon and sign up, and yeah, you'll be able to get some behind the scenes action, interviews, live streams, stuff like that. And I've kept it relatively cheap because I would really like the support, and anything you guys can help put towards this channel. But at the end of the day, this is a community channel. This is what I've always wanted it to be. So yeah, please do go ahead, check out Patreon. There will be plenty of content for Patreon subscribers that'll be on there. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm glad to be back. I hope you guys are glad to listen to my voice and see my hands. So again, yeah, hit that subscribe button, head over to Patreon. Thank you very much, and I will see you very soon.